Sometimes some things can happen. Life is getting on your way. Everything seems unsolvable. But take a moment and step back, deep breath, and take your favorite camera with you. Just go for a walk. Today's episode is for those who feel down and not sure how to get back on your track. If you feel really tired, overwhelmed, just try to go out. Everything's gonna change in your mind. That's what I experienced with this short walk. You don't have to focus on how can I take best picture of this year. You don't have to focus on it. You have to only face photography and yourself. You can focus on only taking picture, and that's it. You don't have to worry about anything. And yet, it would be really difficult for some people to focus on only one thing. But that's the point for this short walk. Just only taking picture and focus on the subject, what you want to take. If you don't want to have this kind of time, it's okay too. Photography is always there. No matter how hard your life is, you can all the time come back and you can take a picture again. I hope you found this video useful, and please make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and see you in the next one.